before you blame rising prices. Ask yourself one question. Why does the same salary buy less every year? Why can 1,0? That felt like a lot of money years ago. Suddenly feel like it disappears after a few purchases. Stay until the end because understanding inflation can change how you save, spend, and invest your money. Inflation is not simply prices going up. It means the purchasing power of your money is falling. Your 1,0 is still 1,0, but it may buy fewer goods and services than before. Think about your grocery basket. Imagine that. A few years ago, 1,0 could fill it with many items. Today, the same 1,0 may buy much less. The money didn't disappear. Its buying power decreased. But why does this happen? There are three major forces you need to understand. First, demand. When many people want the same products but supply cannot increase quickly enough, sellers can raise prices. More money chasing limited goods can create upward pressure on prices. Second, costs. Imagine fuel, electricity, raw materials, wages, and transportation becoming more expensive. Businesses have higher costs, and they may pass those costs to customers through higher prices. Third, money and credit conditions. When spending and credit expand strongly while the economy cannot increase production at the same pace, demand can push prices higher. Now, here's the part that affects you. Suppose your salary increases by 5%, but your living costs increase by 7%. Your salary went up, but your purchasing power actually went down. This is why a bigger salary does not automatically mean you are becoming wealthier. And here's another mistake people make. Keeping all their money in cash and assuming the number in their bank account tells the whole story. Imagine you keep 5 lakh untouched for years. The account balance may still show 5 lakh. But if prices rise significantly during that period, that 5 lakh can buy less than it could before. So what can you do? First, track your expenses. Know which costs are increasing and which ones you can control. Second, improve your earning power. Skills and income growth can help you stay ahead of rising expenses. Third, don't confuse saving with wealth building. An emergency fund is important, but long-term money needs a strategy that considers inflation and risk. Fourth, think in terms of real returns. If an investment earns 8%, but inflation is 6%, your real purchasing power gain is much smaller than the headline 8%. Remember this simple rule. Asterisk, asterisk, nominal money tells you the number. Real money tells you what that number can actually buy. Asterisk, asterisk, inflation is dangerous because it rarely feels dramatic in one day. A small increase here, another increase there, repeated year after year can significantly change your lifestyle. So, the next time you ask, how much money do I have? Ask a better question. How much can my money actually buy? Because understanding inflation isn't just economics, it's understanding the real value of your future.